Hi! How's your day been? It's gonna be clear tonight, right? You're prepared, right? What are you going to photograph? Wait, what? Why not? Is it too cold? Is it too late? Are you tired from work? Or do you need to get up early tomorrow? Look at the forecast. This may be your only chance. Only clouds for the next weeks, months, probably. And you will just stay in here? What is your motivation to get outside? To be away from the world? To have time for yourself? To explore this vast universe? To appreciate this silence? Being able to reset? Recharge your batteries? The thrill to image an object billions of light years away? What is your motivation to get outside? I know mine. I've decided what to do with this channel. This channel is here for all of us to learn. I've decided to share all of my data for each video. So you can join me, that we learn together. That we learn what we can do with this passion.